Good day everyone, this is Doc Rich and welcome sa aking video recording today for the defense proper. And I'm going to share my screen, share my MS Word format. Dito ko nilagay yung mga reminders natin. Okay. So the importance of this session, I'm going to discuss today yung mga things to do before, during, and after ng defense natin. And those deliverables na dapat yung nasubmit na or still to be submitted sa ating Google Drive or to be sent to me personally sa aking email address. So I'm going to share now yung aking presentation, hoping that you can view this one. So I will highlight everything or every item na aking i-discuss today. So things to do for the Defense Day, specifically para sa mga feasibility study students, itong presentation na to. And item number 1 is this one. You should submit to me. At this point in time, you should have submitted to me sa Google Drive, sorry. You should have submitted to our Google Drive given dun sa ating group chat, no? I posted sa group chat yung Google Drive na paglalagyan ng mga manuscript and recorded video. They should be properly titled. So ito ay mga feasibility study students, no? So you should properly title yung manuscript, the soft copy, and the video to be uploaded. No? Example, feasibility study, opposite group 1. And sa video naman, feasibility study video, opposite group 1. Para alam ko rin kung sino nakapag-submit na by just looking at the file name. At para malaman din ng mga panelists natin kung kanino yung group na kanilang chine-check for improvement, because of course the panelists, they don't know all of us, no? So those submissions should be properly titled, no? Para hindi sila malito, and be sure to follow yung format ng file na inyong isa-submit sa ating Google Drive, and properly titled. Okay, and number 2, of course, the submission of your PowerPoint. So, pag nakapag-record na kayo ng video, automatically, meron na kayong PowerPoint kasi part ng video yung diba? Yung PowerPoint. By the way, the video could have been shoot through Zoom, Google Meet, or in-person recording ng video. So, pwede naman yon. Maganda nga yung through Google Meet kasi para kitang-kita yung presentation nyo. Pag on-site kasi, pag in-person, baka hindi masyado makita yung video na naka-project. Okay, so submit to me yung PowerPoint. Hindi na masyadong marami to, like 18 slides naman pinapagawa ko. And by the way, the video should have been limited to like 20 minutes. Lumampas man like 21 or 22. So okay lang naman, no? Wag lang masyadong 30 minutes kasi be reminded that the panelists will be checking like 28 manuscript or to view some like 28 videos. So wag masyadong, you stick with the format na 20 minutes. And the PowerPoint should also be 18 slides kasi ito yung sasalang natin. Your slides will be collated and to be presented during the Defense Day. So isang format lang, no? So masyadong marami. Kasi baka gumawa kayo ng mga like 25 slides, so kulang yung oras natin. They're trying to limit yung slide na inyong babasahin, na yung be-present sa inyong sa inyong Defense Day. And if you will submit to me your PowerPoint to be emailed sa aking email address, ito yung nakalagay sa screen, ayan, no? Then be sure that the subject of your PowerPoint para malaman kung kanino galing yung submission na yan, yung PowerPoint na yan. Ilagay sa subject ng inyong PowerPoint. Ito rin yung title ng inyong PowerPoint. Subject or title of your PowerPoint, RIE, example, RIE. If you are research, pero since you are FS student, so FS, all caps, opposite, example, group number 1, para alam ko kung kanino, kung anong subject yan. Kasi, ang magpe-present kasi tatlo. Research in Edu, Research in HM, and FS. So, para malaman kung kanino galing yung PowerPoint na yan. So, you put in your subject or title of your PowerPoint, yung FS, group 1. So, deadline of this one, pag nakapag-submit kayo ng video, automatic, meron na kayong PowerPoint. So, deadline of this one. Pero, mas maganda as early as now, you may now submit yung lahat ng mga deliverables like the soft copy sa ating Google Drive and yung PowerPoint na isubmit sa akin. Yan. So, deadline is December 9, pero pwede naman ngayon, no? Pag tapos na kayo, so don't wait for anything else. So, submit right away yung lahat ng PowerPoint sa akin, no? Email sa akin. Yung sa Google Drive naman, so as early as now, you may submit sa Google Drive yung manuscript and the video recording. So, maybe I failed to mention that in your video recording, naka-formal outfit kayo. Ayan, baka nakalimutan ko sabihin, no? But I know that pag nag-record ka, since that is a presentation of your research, it follows that you should be on your corporate outfit, dark outfit. Okay, and number 3, submission of your official receipt. So, yung payment sa defense, of course, you can't, this one is important because if you don't have your receipt, if you have not paid yet, so hindi ka masasalang sa defense days sa December 14. So, as I posted in our group chat, the screenshot of your receipt should be properly labeled. Example, research in Edu, or research in HM, or FS. Example, group 1. Proper labeled si Alexa. Okay. Para alam ko kung sino pag-submit ng resibo. And deadline is December 9. So, tomorrow is December 9. So, hindi pwedeng December 10 kasi walang pasok sa office natin. So, Saturday. Bukas magbayad na kayo, no? December 9. Kasi next week, I know you will be swamped with activities kasi meron kayong end of tour. So, bukas, gawin nyo na itong pag-submit ng or pag-pay for the defense pin. Right away, tomorrow, no? Submit nyo na kagad yung mga resibo. Okay, so on the defense day, number 4 tayo, guys. On Defense Day, bring your printed copy. So, I have discussed this one sa klase natin. The coordinating group should be printing 6 copies of your manuscript. Short band. Sabi ko, hindi masyado magastos. If you have used bond paper sa bahay, so gamitin nyo na, no? Kaya lang pag nagpaprint ka sa labas, no? Meron naman silang kasama sa bayad yung pag-print yung bond paper, no? Pero pag meron kang printer sa bahay, pwede mong gamitin yung mga used bond paper, no? Yung likod gamitin nyo. Para hindi masyadong magastos. Alam ko you are spending too much na the past few days, no? So para makatipid naman ng konti. So, why 6 copies? Of course, we have 3 panelists. About panelists, may tig-isang kopya na inyong manuscript. Wag nang i-bookbind. Sa folder na lang para hindi masyadong magastos. Of course, kung gusto mong mag-ring bind, pero susulatan lang namin nila yan, no? So, Kahit naka-folder na nung ordinary folder. So, pwede na yan, ha? Hindi na masyado magastos. So, 3 copies for the panelists. Of course, ang ating members of the panel I have posted sa ating group chat. Of course, Dr. Hinar Kadag, Dr. Ma'am Vicky Pasqua. So, ang panelist ng HMNB, BSBA, Ma'am Vicky Pasqua, Dr. Hinar Kadag, and other external panelist is Dr. Edmond Freyo from Quezon City University. So, may tig-isang copy sila ng manuscript. Okay? Pang-apat na copy, bigyan niya ako ng kopya para magsusulat-sulatin ako sa manuscript nyo. Yung pang-5 kopya, baka humingi ng copy si Dean. So, nandun din kasi si Dean sa defense room. So, bigyan siya ng kopya para meron din siyang binabasa. Okay? Yung pang-6 na kopya, ito yung copy nyo. Kasi on the defense day, mag-ano kayo meron kayong copy sa gitna. So, isa sa inyo ay may copy, may hard copy nung manuscript para sa magsusulat ng mga corrections. Ayan. Tapos, isa naman ay magpe-present. Iba sa naman ay sasagot ng inquiry, ng questions ng mga panelists natin. Ayan. So, 6 copies I know is safe, no? Okay, number 5. Number 5 items tayo, highlighted. I know you have explained this one, discussed this one during our class. No? Yung template na gagamitin para alam ng mga panelists kung sinong sumasagot, sinong hindi sumasagot. Ayan. Kasi the panelists will be grading individually yung mga yung mga proponents. Ang tawag sa inyo mga research proponents. You should be graded individually yung mga panelists natin. So you create a template na yung study, hindi yung medyo hindi naman natutupi. Para flat pa rin siya. Not necessarily laminated, no? Pero like for example, cardboard paper or specialty paper, yan. And you write your first name lang, no? Example, you can write just your first name, or you can be creative like, hi, I am Richard, for example. Yan. Pero yung first name, okay lang yan. Yung mga apelyido, no? And be sure that the fonts are visible. Kasi, for example, the defense will be done sa ating library. So, you are around 10 feet away from the panelist. No? So, basa naman dapat yung mga nameplate nyo. Ayan. Huwag masyadong maliit. Hindi mababasa yan. Okay. Let's go to number 6. I have been mentioning this one. So, you should be in corporate outfit, dark or black outfit. Para professional. Wag na yung light blazer, no? Wag na yung light blazer for the guys and for the females. No? Dark outfit na lang. Dark blazer. Yan. Tapos, dark pants. Dark shoes, casual. Dark casual shoes. Wag na mag-rubber shoes. No? Wag mag-rubber shoes ng white, ng napaka-obvious na rubber shoes. Dark casual shoes, okay na yan. Leather shoes, okay yan. Kasi ikaw ay nasa gitna. Kitang-kita kayo ng mga panelists. No? Kitang-kita pag hindi bagay yung white na rubber shoes. Nag-rubber shoes ng white, no? Hindi bagay sa corporate outfit nyo. So, baka meron pa sang epekto doon sa panelist natin. No? Baka may isipin you are not professional enough. Kasi kita, no? Hindi bagay yung sapatos. Yung casual. Naka-blazer, diba? Tapos although yung iba ay naka-casual shoes naman, pero dark siya, no? Huwag naman yung white na rubber. So for the ladies, ayan, so properly groomed dapat, di ba? Mga guys, naka-ayos naman. Okay? And remove your earrings pag nakahikaw ka. Remove your earrings. Ayan. Ano ba ba? Ilang naman, I'll be posting a sample ng outfit nila for the past defense, no? I-post sa ating group chat, no? Yung proper outfit. Okay, number 7. So, I posted this one a couple of days ago. Yung assigned task sa ating group chat. No? So, be mindful of your assigned task, guys. No? Baka may nakalimot sa inyo. Baka may hindi pa nakabasa. So, paki-remind yung mga classmates or groupmates na may assigned task as posted sa ating group chat. No? So, I have a copy here of the assigned task. No? Example for the morning session, ating MCs ay si Iron, tapos si Sherilyn. So, lahat ng task I divided all the tasks among the members, among the groups para fair tayo, para lahat ay may gagawin. Okay, so example si Iron and Sherilyn, they are the MCs, so they are from group 4 and group 14 ng feasibility. Yan. Sa ABP naman, so Gerald, be reminded you are the one in charge sa national anthem and PMC hymn ABP, audiovisual presentation. So, ibibigay mo yan doon sa laptop operator natin. Kasi yung laptop operator nyo, example, sa umaga ay si Kurt. So, bigyan mo kay Kurt, Gerald, yung copy ng ABP ng national anthem and PMC hymn. Para malagay sa laptop. O program, si Maricar, once again, si Maricar and Kimberly, they're in charge of the program sa umaga. So yung mga title nyo guys, no? Kasi si Maricar and Kimberly, isusulat nyo yun sa program natin. So yung mga titles nyo, isend nyo kay Maricar and Kimberly, nasa group chat sila ha, para ilagay nila sa program. So makita mo naman sa task natin, nasa lagay sa ating assigned task, no? Yung assign ng program, si Maricar and Kimberly, nandun pangalan nila. So, sa inyo isi-send, sa kanila isi-send yung titles niya. And for the opening prayer, Iron and Sherilyn, ang in-charge natin ay si Nika May Biliran. Si Nika May ay sa HM student siya, group 1. So, hanapin niyo yung kanilang pangalan sa ating group chat para ma-remind sila. Alright, so photo documentation natin. So umaga, ang in-charge natin ay si Mika May and si Christina. Group 3 and Group 1 sila. So Christina and Mika May, ang inyong trabaho ay mag-shoot. Example ng opening remarks, i-shoot yan, yung introduction ng panelist. Shoot yan, yung group picture, later on with the panelist. Then habang nagre-report ang isang grupo, picturean nyo sila. Yung trabaho ni Mika and ni Christina. Okay, laptop provider sa umaga, si Mil and si Dale. They are HMTM students. Laptop operator natin si Kurt. They are also HM student. Intermission number, John Ree. Nagpresenta si John Ree. John Ree, group 5. Kada may intermission number, I don't know what he'll be doing during the defense day. Maybe he'll be rendering a song or sasayaw. Alright. Sa score sheet, si Chelsea and si Ella May. Si Chelsea is a HM student. Si Ella ay group 8 ng feasibility. So Ella May, I'll be sending to you. Ako na magpiprint ng mga score sheet. Ang trabaho mo, Ella and Chelsea, is to distribute sa mga panel members natin yung score sheet. Pagkatapos ng isang group, pagkatapos na mag-grade dun sa score sheet, Ella and Chelsea, you will retrieve the score sheet. Then bigay ulit ng panibagong scores. So bawat group kasi mayroong score sheet silang susulatan. Okay? So para malinis mga table nila, mga in charge sa score sheets natin, always retrieve yung mga score sheet nila, okay? Para malinis yung kanilang mga tables. So that is for the morning session. Now, for the afternoon session, meron tayong separate na MC naman sa hapon. Ito ay si Leo and si Mary Vince ng Eduk. Eduk na mag-MC. Pero sa hapon, sa umaga kasi yung groups 1 to 5 ng feasibility ay sa umaga kayo. And sa hapon naman, yung group 6 to 40 ng feasibility, kasama ka sa hapon. Afternoon session kayo. Now, sa hapon, ang program in charge ay si Manilyn at si Anbao, group 6 and 7 ng feasibility. So, ang kanilang trabaho, no? Si Manilyn and si Anbao, I have sent to you the copy of the program. Tapos, i-improve na lang, be creative, no? Ayan. And yung title, makipakita ko yung title, no? Si Manilyn. Yung title ng mga research sa hapon, isusulat nyo doon. So guys, no, isend nyo kay Manilyn and Anbao yung title ng inyong mga research. Kasi ilalagay nila yun sa program. As a photo documentation, assigned as a photo si Kia and si Reynalyn. Kia is from group 9. Yan. Ang trabaho sa photo doc sa hapon, ayun, mag-picture. Mag-take ng picture lahat ng present na groups. Tapos yung MC, picturean nyo rin. Yung mga panelists, picturean nyo rin sila. No? So, ayan, that is Reynalyn and Kia. Tapos sa laptop, ang magpo-provide ay si Cristel and Zarina. No? Cristel and Zarina, if you don't have a laptop, so manghiram na kayo. Basta you are in charge of the laptop, no? Baka may classmates na magpapahiram ng laptop nila. Kay Cristel and kay Zarina. Ang laptop operator natin sa hapon ay si Rosemary ng Group 10. So, si Rosemary, taga-pindot lang yan, no? Taga-pindot ng slide habang nagre-report. No? Now, pag mag-report na yung Group 10 ni Rosemary, so papalitan naman sila. Okay, for the intermission number, ayan, yung once again, intermission number natin, mga maskulados, si Nino, si Carlo, si Dave Jan, Paulo Francisco, si John Lester Leoncio, ayan. Mga intermission number, no? So, yun ang part ng, part nila sa ating presentation, sa ating defense. We'll be rendering intermission number. Okay, and score sheet sa hapon, afternoon session. Ito si Joanna and Stephanie. Although mga eduk naman sila, no? Mga eduk sila, pero andun naman sila, no? Sila magbibigay ng mga score sheet. So, Joanna and Stephanie, so bibigyan ko kayo ng copy ng score sheet natin. Yan ang mga assigned tasks, no, sa hapon. Okay, and let's continue. Dito tayo sa number 8. So before the defense, you should greet first sa mga panelists natin. Example, you address them as ma'am and sirs. And number 9, always accept the comments of the panelists kasi supposedly the panelists are the experts when it comes to defense. No? So tanggap na mga comments and suggestions. So don't argue with them. Yeah. Baka may pagalitan pa kayo ng mga panelists natin, diba? So you may say always thank you pag nag-comment. Thank you, ma'am, thank you, sir. Your comments are well taken. We'll revise our manuscript. Okay, script natin. So ano lang. Number 9. Okay. So let's go to number 10. So host MCs after the defense, after the closing remarks, after the verdict, So, meron tayong photo op. So, this one is a photo opportunity with the panelists, with the members of the panel. Yan, or per group. Pwede isang per group, no? Or lahat na sabay-sabay, no? Huwag kalimutan. So, it means wag mo lang uwi, no? Yung mga nauna mag-defend, wag mo lang uwi kasi meron tayong photo opportunities with the members of the panel. Ayan. Number 11, all members should be active during the defense. So, wag tutulog-tulog, kaya sabi ko, basahin nyo ulit-ulit. Basahin nyo ulit ang manuscript nyo. You master your manuscript para paikot-ikotin mo kayo ng mga panelist. Of course, guys, mas alam nyo ang research nyo kaysa sa panelist. So, huwag kayong papatalo sa kanila, no? Baka nagtanong yung panelist, hindi nyo masagot. Or one member can't answer yung isang question. So, pag may isang member na hindi nakasagot, saluhin ka agad, guys. No? Kung sino may alam ng sagot na ka-group, saluhin ka agad yung kanilang tanong. Para sabihin nilang you really mastered your research. Pag hindi kasi, pag tutulog-tulog tapos hindi nasagot, baka sabihin nila ay hindi nyo alam. Diba? Yung inyong ginagawa. So, huwag kayong papatalo sa kanila. Makita nyong talagang alam nila yung ginagawa nyo. Sabihin, ito, pag meron kayong hindi nasagot kasi, mas didikdikin kayo ng mga panelist, no? So, huwag niyong pahalata, no? Na hindi nyo alam. So, yun. You read your manuscripts multiple times, ulit-ulitin nyo. Hindi naman masyadong marami yung mga manuscript nyo, no? So, basahin nyo ulit-ulit. You should know. Kasi minsan, ang unang tanong ng mga panelists, ano bang reason? Bakit ito yung study na yung pinag-aralan? So, what is the rationale, your reason, significance ng study, ng title nyo? Bakit ito ay gusto nyo? So, there should be a reason behind. So, kung wala man talagang reason, napilitan na kayo. So, make it a point as a defense day, alam nyo ang sagot. Pag kayo ay tinanong ng panelist, you should know the rationale, the reason, the significance, no, of your study. Okay, sino, no? Sinong sagot dyan? Okay, yan, no? This one is very obvious. So, ito yung mga tanong na lahat ng members ng group ay alam. Okay, so, to continue, present ko yung ating the program. Yung program natin part 1, morning session and the afternoon session. Sa morning session, ito yung ating program. Opening prayer, of course, by Biliran. She is a HM student. National anthem, to be nasa laptop na ating national anthem, but make it a point na lahat kayo guys, no, lahat kayo ay may copy ng ating VMC hymn. Kasi yung ating VMC hymn, naka-presentation siya, so minsan walang kumakanta. Okay, so lahat kayo ay may copy ng VMC. So yung ating dito, yung ating program, yung tagagawa ng program, no, si Manilyn and si Anvao, pwede bang isama yung VMC hymn sa likod ng ating program? Manilyn and Anvao, para mayroon silang kopya ng ating VMC. Manilyn and Anvao, calling Manilyn and Anvao, pakilagay sa likod ng program yung VMC hymn para habang nakapresent yung AB presentation ay sumasabay tayo. Kasi last time, may AB presentation, walang kumakanta. Siguro hindi natin kabisado yung VMC. So, pakilagay Manilyn and Anvao. Opening remarks, that is Dean Bernard. So ito yung sa umaga guys. Ito yung 8 to 12 sessions sa umaga. Then, I will introduce the members of the panel. So ito naman ay yung pang-umaga na bahala dito. Pero I just want to point out na sa morning session, ang unang magre-report, mag-present ay depende dun sa Sabado for my Saturday classes kasi, ang nauna kong klase pag Sabado ay mga HMTM. Sunod yung feasibility. Ang panglasa yung eduk. So, ang ginawa ko, sunod-sunod. Then, tulad nun, sa unang presenter natin sa umaga ay yung groups. Lahat ng groups ng HMTM, they have 8 groups. So, lahat sa HMTM, yan ang first batch. Okay? Then, second batch, umaga pa rin to. Hinati ko lang kasi may intermission number si John Ree. So, after intermission number, yung group 7 and 8 ng HM ay tuloy pa rin sila. Pero yung first 5 groups ng feasibility, you are part of the morning session. So, sa umaga kayo. No? So, kayong maagang pupunta. Umaga pa lang nandun na kayo. No? Kasi ang presentation natin 20 minutes lang dapat 20 minutes per group lang, di ba? Ayan, so group 1 and sa ating group 5, so kasama sila sa umaga, then wala pang presentation ng certificate sa umaga, no. Ito ay 50% pagkatapos ng last group ng ating feasibility study. Ang master of ceremony sa umaga ay si Iron and Sherilyn, ibigay din kay Maricar and Kimberly mapangalan nyo kasi sila ang gagawa ng program sa umaga. Then let's go to the afternoon session. Afternoon session, tentatively, it is from 12:30 to 7 o'clock p.m. So we have 15 groups. So, wala ng opening remarks sa hapon. So, diretso na tayo sa Group 6. Afternoon session, mag-start tayo sa Group 6 ng Feasibility Study. So, ibigay yung title nyo kay Manilyn and kay Anubao. Silang gumagawa ng program, no? So, afternoon session, Group 6 to Group 14, ibigay yung pangalan nyo, ibigay yung title nyo kay Manilyn and Anubao kasi susulat nila dito sa program yung title ng inyong feasibility study. Okay, so we have intermission number. Ito yung Masculados. And after intermission number, we proceed to groups 12 and 14. Ayan. So, ito na yung mga intermission number. Then groups 12 and 14. Then last group na magpe-present ay yung group ng EDUC. So sa EDUC natin, groups 1 to 6 ang ating mga presenter. Ayan. So 6 group na sila. So EDUC, yung title nyo, ibigay nyo kay Manilyn and Anubao. Sila kasi ang gagawa ng program. Okay? So, ang pangalan nila, Manilyn and Anubao, nandun sila sa group chat, EDUC, no? Hanapin sila sa group chat, Manilyn and Anubao. Sila ang gagawa ng program for afternoon session. And after the group 6 ng EDUC nakapag-present, magkakaroon tayo ng presentation of Certificate of Appreciation. Ayan, by Dean Bernard and by yours truly. And after the presentation of certificate, meron tayong closing remarks. Ako na yan. And meron tayong photo opportunity. Ito yung picture taking natin sa lahat ng mga members of the panel. Para meron tayong remembrance. Okay, so yun lang yung ating yun lang yung mga reminders. Maybe this one is not complete, maybe may nakalimutan ako. But pag meron mga kayong questions, you can message me privately. Kasi baka kasi may nakalimutan ako dito sa aking video. But hoping that I have answered all the questions, the queries for the incoming Defense Day natin on December 14. And hoping that you have learned something guys today. And see you around people. Pag may tanong, message me. And good luck sa ating Defense Day on the 14th. Bye everyone. This has been Dr. Cortez signing off.